Registering with GST is a simple two-stage process consisting of Part A and Part B of the registration application. This video will introduce you to Part A of the registration application. To begin, access the GST website www.gst.gov.in. From the home page, open the Services menu, click the Registration category and select New Registration option. Note that the fields marked with a red color dot are mandatory fields. Select New Registration and provide your basic information including the permanent account number, PAN. Make sure to enter a valid email address and Indian mobile phone number, since the GST portal will communicate one-time passwords, OTPs, and notifications at this address and mobile phone number. Clicking Proceed will send two different OTPs on your mobile and email address. On the next page, enter the OTP received on mobile phone number in the Mobile OTP field and the one received in the email OTP field and click Proceed. This will complete Part A of the registration application and will generate a temporary reference number, TRN. It's that simple. Note down this TRN. It will be used to fill the Part B of registration application. We'll see that in the next video.